welcome to my soapy kitchen. I have been having fun today, and I just wanted to show you what I did last night just while I was watching TV. Remember I did the unveiling of the extruder, and one of my favorite tips is the Starr tip. So we did the Starr tip, and it started to dry, so I just wanted to show you guys. That is not a Starr tip. We'll pull one of those out. Let's see if I can find a small one. Here's one that's broken off. And I'm just going to cut it so you can see how awesome this is. So as you slice your soap that they're embedded in, you'll get this perfect little star. Totally, you can have lots of fun with these. They are really fun. They're designed for not for soap, they're designed for clay. And if anybody knows where I can get a bigger one, I would just be so excited. I can't afford an industrial size one, but wouldn't that be fun? I think the soap gal has an industrial size one. She's the one who got me looking for things to make my embeds with. These are square. The square one is pretty cool too. Pretty sure there's a broken one here with the square. Here's a short one. Wait. Oh, here's a short one with the square. Super cool. Actually, I think that's just a piece of soap that I cut. The squares are quite thick. I haven't figured out how to not make it go like all squiggly like this, but it's super fun. And I've made the spaghetti type. So I'm not sure what kind of, detailed design I'm going to do with these. But they stay nice and round when you store them in the round container. I don't really want to break these up because I do want to see if I can lay them flat and straight. If I can manage not to break them all, which isn't looking like that's what I can do. But these are kind of fun as curls. And this is the flat tip. So you've got like this flat, even tip. There's a clover in here. That might be the clover. Let's see. Yeah, it's kind of a clover shape. Super duper, super fun, especially the star and the spaghetti. The angel hair. Oh, we can make an angel Christmas soap with angel hair. I don't know. We'll see. See y'all next time. Have fun with your soapy kitchens. And if you like this or learned something new, or maybe got an idea for an inexpensive toy, if you're a soap dough artist like me, get on over to Amazon. You can pick one up for about $10, $15. They're not terribly expensive. I would suggest, however, that you get the screw one, because pushing this soap dough, depending on how soft your soap is quite hard. I wouldn't recommend the plunging variety. But this, I just couldn't stop doing it. It was just so much fun. So now I need ideas. What can I do with these shapes? I made all these shapes. I'm going to have to be back to the sketching board and give myself some ideas for some super fun stuff. All right, so we'll see y'all next time. Bye for now.